Hi guys, good evening to everyone. Now is June 16, 2025, Monday. Thank God at last finally guys, dumating na ang in-order ko na YS Canon bath towel. 3 pieces to guys. Pero for just only 299 pesos plus 10 pesos na shipping pay. All in all guys, 309 pesos. Tingnan natin guys, mag-unbox tayo guys. Tingnan natin kung ano ang quality nito guys. Yan guys. YS Canon bath towel. 3 pieces for just only 299 pesos plus 10 pesos na shipping pay equals all in all 309 pesos. Tingnan natin ang quality guys. First color brown. Oh. YS Canon. First color. Ang ganda guys. Oh. Ang ganda oh. Oh. Sa likod oh may tag oh. Oh. Para siyang may tag. Tapos may para ihang sahok. Oh. Tapos ang emblem niya guys oh. Emblem YS Canon. YS Canon ang emblem guys oh. Oh. Oh, YS Canon. Yan. At ito na naman guys. Wait guys ha. Ito guys ha. The second color is blue. Same pa rin. May sabitan sa hook. Blue. May sabitan sa hook. Ito ihang, tapos may tag, tapos sa likod oh, tapos ang emblem niya YS Canon, tapos may crown yan oh, yan. And the third and the last but not the least is color. Para siyang pink na red. Color pink. Same din. For just only 299 pesos guys. Plus 10 pesos na shipping pay equals all in all to 309 pesos guys. Para lang naka-free shipping. Kasi 10 pesos lang ang shipping pay. May siya guys oh, para ihang guys. Oh. Tapos may tag siya guys oh. Oh. Ang ganda ng quality. Seller, thank you so much. Tapos ang emblem niya guys oh. YS Canon emblem with crown. So yan guys. Thank you sellers. Guys, to all sa mga naghahanap ng mga bath towel guys, for just only 299 pesos, YS Canon guys, na bath towel. Three pieces for just only 299 pesos. So, sa lahat ng mga interesado dyan guys, just trust me, just click my link or just click my yellow basket and just try guys. Subukan nyo lang guys. For sure talagang hindi kayo mag-regret. For sure talagang hindi kayo maghihinayang. Kasi walang masasayang, kasi good talaga ang quality. Tapos mura lang, affordable lang at hindi kamahalan. All I can say guys, sulit na sulit, so very worth it. But still yet guys, it's your life, it's your choice. Buhay nyo yan, desisyon nyo yan. Sa huli, kayo pa rin ang magdesisyon. What I mean guys, hindi po ako namimilit, option lang po to. Good evening to everyone and God bless. God bless us all. Bye bye guys. Thank you sir. Bye bye guys.